Hey y'all, look, I just made this like slime. Look, it's all blue. You know why it's like that? Cause I had glue, Tide, hot water, cleaned it out, and that's it. Look, and it stretches out too. Look, I'll show you. Look, see, it's slime. And look, it's not sticking to me. Not sticking to my fingers. See? Oh, it's slime. It's slime. See? See? And look, it's easy 1, 2, 3. Doesn't even make a mess. You just need something to mix it in, something to mix with, and that's it. It's awesome. Doesn't dry out too. You just have to keep it in a little Tupperware. That's it. Alright? Bye, y'all.